What does my cursor look like? Recently I needed to render the screen's cursor image to a bitmap. This is how to do it. var HCursor, THandle, begin / get the handle of the current cursor HCursor equals Screen.Cursors ord, Screen.Cursor, / draw the icon to a canvas DrawIconEx, MyBitmap.Canvas.Handle, XPos Ypos HCursor 32.2,0,0 and see DrawIconEx in the Delphi help for combinations which may replace d_normal, like d_mask, or d_default size.